What if that sharp shooting pain running all the way down your leg could ease in the next few minutes without pills, injections, or surgery?
Right, so we've actually taken the time to represent that sciatica pain with this yellow TheraBand, which is just like the sciatic nerve and runs all the way down the leg to the foot. Any problem with that, Mike?
Well, now that it snapped me, hopefully
Yeah.
your sciatica nerve doesn't snap like a band. But in this video, we're going to show you the best 5 solutions to help relieve sciatica pain. But to do this, we're going to take a look at an older video first.
And actually, I think we may have a bonus, and these are all time-tested remedies that you can do. Not all of them work, but you try them and you'll see. So we're going back 7 years. Bob and I made a really nice video that has done very well. And to get there, we will naturally jump in the TARDIS as usual. I got it tuned up, ready?
Tuned up? Okay.
Yep, this is going to take a little while because it's 7 years ago. Here we go, the spin. Whoa! Oh, that's so fun.
Bob and Brad, the two most famous physical therapists on the internet.
Do you remember that show, Brad? What was it? Where at the end they'd go like this and they'd blow kisses like that. Remember that? They'd go like this. The dating game or I don't remember what it was called. Right at the end.
Can we get on with the program,
okay.
Bob?
All right. You're in charge here.
Okay. So sciatica, pain down the leg. Most of the time, sciatica is from a disc problem.
Herniated disc.
Bulging disc. And it's putting pressure on the nerve going down the leg. So we're trying to find something that can reduce that pressure, at least temporarily, so it feels better because
yeah, it's irritating.
yeah, both Bob and I have had this. There's nothing, there's not much worse than having that numbness, tingling, and just the pain that goes along with sciatica.
Like a toothache in your leg, and it doesn't go away.
Right.
It starts to irritate you.
So if you can find 2 nice solid chairs like we have here, or 2, I've had people do this at home in their kitchen where they have 2 cupboards, like a galley kitchen close together.
You have the center aisle, and then you have the...
Right. Whatever, you just have 2 solid surfaces that are going to be dependable. And I'll go like this. If you can lock your elbows out and get about that height, and then I'll just gently take the weight off of my back through my legs so my toes become unweighted.
So basically what he's doing here is he's doing traction on his back.
Right.
And opening that, opening up a little bit so that there's more room for the nerve, and sometimes it even sucks the disc in a little bit, supposedly.
Right. If we can, they call it reducing the hernia or the bulge. So I'm going to go like this, and I'll do this with a lot of my sciatic patients. And it doesn't work on everyone, but I'd say maybe around 50% I get success with people. And this will be part of their exercise program. And you're just going to hang there as long as the pain is clearly relieved in the leg. And usually, as long until your arms don't get tired. Usually it's about 20 to 30 seconds. Most people will do that. And oftentimes when they come back, the pain will come back, but oftentimes it's not as severe. And you can do this throughout the day as many times as you would like.
And point out, Brad, you're not lifting your feet up. You're actually just getting up onto his toes.
Right.
And bending his knees
I'm not dangling like this, but I'm just pushing off, and I'm probably reducing the weight through my legs about 50 to 75%. And then there's a trick with being able to relax your stomach muscles, because if you hold it real tight, then it doesn't work so well. But if you can learn to relax in through here and feel that relief. Sometimes it doesn't work, but if it does, it really is a nice trick.
I know in the past when you've shown this, Brad, sometimes people mention the inversion table.
Sure.
And yes, an inversion table can work, and Brad did use one for many years.
Right, yeah, I owned one, and...
we have a video on one, so if you put Bob and Brad and inversion table, you'll get our opinions on it.
Right, and they'll explain how I recommend I recommend to use it, because I recommend a little different than what they show.
They show, yeah.
It's a therapist's point of view.
Okay, now you want to go to number 2. Which
number 2.
I'll go ahead and get the stuff.
Can you throw that at me, Bob?
Sure.
So,
you want
so nice. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Using a leg wedge, or you can use some furniture and lay down on usually a carpeted floor preferably, and then put your feet like this. If you had some furniture, you'd put your legs up like this.
You could put your legs up on a couch or a chair or an ottoman But if you don't want to get on the floor, first off, because sometimes people have trouble getting on the floor.
Right.
This is a nice alternative.
Yeah, you can use a leg wedge. I just used this week with someone in the clinic, and once again, they wanted to buy one. So I told them where they can get one on. You can look at our preferred products below, or there's a store actually right down the road from in La Crosse. They cost quite a bit more, but they wanted it right away, so they went and got one.
So we should tell the people out there to go ahead and drive to La Crosse, Wisconsin, and get one.
Whatever it takes. But you'll get
If you're in the area.
You'll get it cheaper online. But when you lay like this, there's something about, for most people, this position is going to relieve that sciatica and that back pain.
Well, one thing, it definitely is opening those holes a little bit again. The foramen.
Those foramen.
Going a little bit of flexion, but not enough to make the disc problem worse.
Right.
But enough to make it feel a little bit better.
Right. And oftentimes, if you take a cold pack, a nice gel, soft cold pack, and you're going to put that right in here, that can be an additional relief.
It definitely help with spasms if you're having spasms.
And usually you'll lay like this for 15 to 20 minutes to get that relief. And then the third one, and this is the one that actually can lead into
Treatment.
Treatment that's going to cure it. Bob, you want to do this one?
So you're going to start off just laying prone, basically, is what you're going to do. You're going to start off laying flat like this, and you're going to see, for some people, they can't even lay like this.
Right.
So they actually have to start with pillows.
You may start out with 1 or 2 pillows. You can put them this way or this way, depending on what feels better, and that'll help make laying prone tolerable and actually reduce. I've had this many times where they can't lay flat on the table, but if I put a couple pillows under there, then it'll feel good and the leg pain will start to go away within a minute or two.
The idea behind this is that eventually you might even be pushing the disc back in.
Right.
So that's the thing you want to visually picture.
You bet.
So you want to start off with the 2 if you can't, if you can, go down to the 1.
Right.
And then eventually you're going to go down to none.
And this may take minutes. You may be able to do this within 5 minutes. Sometimes it takes a couple days of doing this, depending on how severe you are.
Right, and eventually, if this feels okay, you might even just get positioned like this.
Right.
Up onto your elbows.
And we promote this system all the time. It's the Robin McKenzie system. And, it's a worldwide system because it's successful, and that's why. And so it progresses from here, and then it can go into the press-ups. Do you want to talk about that yet, Bob, or did you have...
No, I was going to show one other thing first, Brad. We're going to show that sideline one.
Oh, yes.
Because, again, this is all about quick relief.
Right.
The other thing you can do is quite often, if you're having trouble sleeping at nights, let's say the pain is going down this leg. That's the leg you want on the top. Mm-hmm. Okay? So if it's this one, you'd flip around. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a couple pillows. Usually it takes 2. Did you find that out, Brad? Usually it's 2.
Yep. But
one might work.
Right. That's how thick it is.
All you do is you put those pillows underneath your ankles when you're sleeping on your side like this. And a lot of times that opens up again, that gap, just enough to take the pressure off the nerve, and you can actually sleep without any pain going down your leg.
Right.
So
doesn't always work, but it's easy to try as long as you got a couple pillows and see how it goes, because it can really, if you can get sleep, everything goes better.
Yeah, everything goes a lot better. You're going to have better, healing going on.
Sure.
If you can sleep.
You
need
bet.
Sleep for healing. And what Brad was alluding to, what eventually you go into is you actually start doing press-ups here. Right. And that's where we have a whole nother video on how you want to do those, how often you want to do those, the variations on how you want to do those. And that's where you should...
Yeah. So the point is if you get immediate relief from laying on your stomach or with the pillows, this will likely be a good progression into actually taking care of it and getting rid of it permanently.
Yeah, you'll want to watch our videos. Again, type in Bob and Brad and put sciatica, and you're going to find a whole playlist of videos that will work out for you.
Get a cup of coffee or a pot of coffee and just watch them one after another, and you'll be clearly educated on a treatment of sciatica.
Pot of coffee, not just pot.
I'm glad you clarified that.
This is new day and age now. It's legal in Colorado. It's legal in Washington State, I believe. So
and who knows in the rest of the world? I really don't know what there's some people have no idea what we're talking about, Bob.
Well, Mary Jane, marijuana. I don't know.
Oh, It's a family show. Let's
All
just,
right, thanks for watching.
pull it off.
Whoa! Oh, we're back. Well, yeah. So on the way coming back to the time travel on the TARDIS, I thought of an extra treatment, which was actually what I was doing here. And it's called hanging, and it's actually decompression to help decompress that disc. And I'll show you how this works. You simply, not on a pull-up bar, you have to jump and hang, but on a pull-up bar or hanging handles where you can slowly and control the weight of your body being released, and then relax your trunk, your core muscles around your abdomen right here, and you'll feel, and this doesn't always work like the other ones, but if it does, when the weight starts to come off of your legs, I'm still bearing weight through my feet, and that sciatica starts to relieve. If you get relief down your leg using this technique, it's a viable and effective technique that I've used and I've had patients use. Again, if the pain gets worse when you do this, it's not right. One of the other ones should work. Very good. And we also have something else even a little more modern than this, huh, Mike?
Yeah, so we actually have a back massager here. This is an Easy Back Pro back massager you can put on any chair and use. I'm not sitting on it because otherwise you won't be able to see what it is doing. Oftentimes when you're having sciatica, the muscles around your spine can get tight to help guard, so sometimes they have to loosen up, and that's where massage can come in very handy, and heat. And this back massager has both options. It has heat, it has massage. It goes up and down, as you can see, so it can work different areas of your muscles around your spine. And also you can fix it on one point just by pressing a button. If you just have one trigger point painful area and you want to sit there for a while, it can massage it like that.
Which is actually the option I really appreciate. I like this. You either, whatever kind of chair you want, a firm chair, soft chair, at your workstation, if you work at a computer or seated all day, is a great time to have it. You can lean into it, take a break, and literally get a nice, comfortable, and relaxing massage.
Yeah, very light, portable, has a strap. You can connect it to the chair you want, and you can pretty much use it anywhere.
There you go.
So very handy.
There's always something coming up, and we like to keep up with the times. You know how that is, from 7 years ago to the new day.
Now, if you're still having some sciatica issues and you can't figure out what keeps causing it to come back, you can check out this video on the screen.
Oh, we're going extreme. The 6 worst exercises for sciatica, which you should know those as well.
Bob and Brad, the two most famous physical